Hi everyone, Gunpla here. Thank you for joining me for another unboxing. And today we're gonna unbox the SDW Heroes Sergeant Verde Buster Gundam. So this is a kit from the Gundam World Hero series. This is the number 3 from that series. And as you can see from the cover art, you can see the Sergeant Verde Buster Gundam here has the Magnum as well as the handcuffs there. And this kit has the blue Bandai logo, and this one is made in China and it was released a few months ago in 2021. So looking at the side, you can see a short description about the Buster Gundam here, and here it shows the pistol, which is called the EXT Magnum LB, and then here it shows the Justice Lock, which is the handcuff for the Buster Verde. And then here it shows a bike, which is called the Trinity bike, and it's sold separately. And you can get that from the Sangoku line. So here, on the shorter side, you can see the same artwork as the cover art. It's number 3 from the Gundam World Heroes. And then here you can see a short description or a link going to the SD World Heroes anime series. And then the traditional warnings and legal stuff here. And then on this other shorter side, it's identical to the other side. So we're gonna see what's inside the box. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 bags. So we have 2 big bags and 2 smaller bags inside the box, and here is the manual. So the manual, you see, it's the traditional Gundam World Heroes manual now. So the cover art here, and then a short description regarding the model kit or the Gundam. So if you want to read it, you can just pause it. And then at the back, pretty similar to what we saw from the box. So the Magnum here, the handcuff there, and then it's a front and rear view of the model kit. Here it's a short description regarding the Zhaoyun 00 Gundam. So this is the Gundam from the Sangoku line as well. So looking at the inside, it's the traditional manga type spread here. So pretty similar to what we saw from the other kit from the SD Gundam World Heroes line or the other SD kits. So the traditional building instruction, traditional, and here you can see the runner list. So for this kit, we're gonna use pretty much all the parts from the runner list except from the number 5 from the A runner. So that's your manual and the content of the box. We're gonna check the runners. So first we have the runner A. So runner A is in the traditional gray color, and this is the inner frame and some joints. Next is the B runner. So B runner is in white color, and we only have one part, which is the mouthpiece. So that's your B runner. Next is the F runner. So F runner comes in the darker blue color. So most of it are the head and some chest armor. So that's your F runner. Next we have the G runner. So we have 2 G runner, and they come in the black color. So as you can see, this is the head and some part of the skirt, and the feet are in there. So that's your G runners. Next is the H runner. So H runner comes in the orange red color. So these are clear parts, and as you can see, this is the visor, and these are the parts for the knees. So that's your H runner. Next is the I runner, which is the last runner, and this is in gray color, and these are parts of the handcuff. So that's your I runner. Lastly, we have the foil sticker. So this is a color correction color correction foil sticker. As you can see, that's the part for the forehead and some of the gold color correction. So that's your foil sticker. And that was the unboxing of the SDW Heroes Sergeant Verde Buster Gundam. I like this better compared to the other kit from the Gundam World Heroes line. I think it's the modern look of it, and this one is the Sergeant version. So we still have an upcoming generic Verde Buster. And I would like to thank Masamune Studio for sponsoring this video. Please check their website for a wide variety of model kits. They have P-Bandais, they have tools, paints, building materials, and many more. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and like the video. And lastly, thank you for watching and keep building.